In this lesson of linear equations in two variables and a straight line, we are going to discuss question number 13 and 14 of exercise 1.3. So question number 13a, we have use the point slope equation to find an equation for the line through the points 1 and -3, 2 and 4. So see, we have to use the point slope equation, and then these are the 2 points. So this one we will consider x1 y1, or this is x2 and y2. If you want, you can switch it, or you can take this one x1 y1 or this one x2 y2. It's up to you. Okay, so first of all we will find the slope. We are solving part A. So first we will find the slope, and slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So see here, y2, we will consider this y2, and then this is the negative sign, and but y1 is also -3, so this negative and this negative will be positive, and x2 is -2 and then -1, which is equal to 7 over -3. So our slope is 7 divided by -3. Now we will use any one point. We are going to use the point slope equation. So see here, it is m y minus y1, because we have to use one point. Anyone, you can take this pair or you can take this pair, or x1. So see, now we know our slope. Instead of this m, we will write down 7 over -3, because this is the slope, which is equal to y plus 3. We are suppose using this set. So y minus 1, right? Y, because this is negative will be positive, divided by x minus 1, because this is positive, so it will remains negative. Now we will do the cross multiplication with -3 y plus 3, and we will solve it. So it will be 7x -7, which is equal to -3y minus 9. So 7x, if we will move -3y to the left hand side, it will be positive, and this is positive 7. Here we have -2, here we have 7x plus 3y is equal to -2. So this is the required equation. Use the point slope equation to find an equation. So this is the required equation. This is the answer of the part 1, part A, this one, for the line through the points this and this. So first of all you have to find out the slope, and when slope is there, you have to use the point slope equation. Now is the second part. What is the point with x coordinate equal to 3 on the line found in part A? So this one, in this answer 7x plus 3y is equal to -2, you have to put 3 instead of this x. So it is very easy, 7 into 3 plus 3y, then we will solve for y. So it will be 3y equal to -2, and this is positive 21, which will be -21. It will be -23 3y. We are just solving this for y. So y is equal to -23 over 3. So the points are, x is given in the question, which is 3, y we have calculated, which is 23 over 3. So this is the answer of our B part. This is B and this is A. Right, now move to question number 14. In question number 14 it says use the point slope equation to find an equation for the line through the point this and parallel to the line this, and then we have to also solve B part, what is the x-intercept of the line found in part A? So first of all we will solve the first part. Sorry, 3x minus 2y equal to 4, right? First of all we will find the slope. So how we will find out the slope here? We will put, suppose y is equal to 0 in this equation. We will say, okay, in 1, so it will be 3x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4 over 3. So our first solution set will be 4 over 3 and 0, because always you have to write down x coordinate first. Now we will put x is equal to 0 in 1, so this will be 0, and negative 2y is equal to 4. So negative y is equal to 2, or y is equal to negative 2. So the second set is 0, x is 0, y is negative 2. This is the second solution set. Now we are going to use the point slope equation, which is m equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So now, so see here, it will be, sorry, like this, because we have two solution set. So this is negative 2 and negative 0. This is y2 and y1, and same thing here is 0 minus 4 over 3, which implies that negative 2 over negative 4 over 3. This negative will cancel each other. Then 2 into 3 over 4, which is equal to 6 over 4, and this implies that 3 over 2. So our slope is 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is the slope. What we did, first we calculated for x and y. So these are the two solution set of this equation which is given. With the help of these two solution sets, we calculated the slope, which is 3 over 2. Now we are going to use the point slope equation, right? So is equal to y minus y1, or x minus x1. So slope is 3 over 2, and here x plus 1, or x minus 1. We will do cross multiplication now. So it will be 3x negative 3 is equal to 2y plus 2. So 3x negative 2y is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. 3x negative 2y. So this is our required equation, part A. Now part B I will solve here for you. It says, what is the part B here? What is the x-intercept? Right, x-intercept. So see, 3x, I will write down this first. Here 3x is equal to 2y plus 5, and x is equal to 2 over 3 y plus 5 over 3. So see, this one, this is the x-intercept, and we have discussed this intercept in the previous lessons as well, y-intercept or x-intercept. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.